So I've been working on a project that will wirelessly transmit the track lights accordingly across the campus of a racetrack. Um, right now I have a wireless transceiver, but it's set to receive the signal, and then the microprocessor then decodes the signal that's being sent and sets the color to that LED accordingly. Over here is what I have set to transmit. Right, every time that light turns on, it's transmitting. I have it set up to go out to an antenna that should reach a mile, which will definitely reach the racetrack. So I have Race Monitor working right now. I have it set to be sending the serial R monitor commands to the sender. And as you see, if I hit caution, the light over here will change to yellow. And it's doing this all wirelessly. I have that hooked into the wall for power. I can unplug it and plug it in. It'll pick right back up as it just keeps getting the signal. So again, if I hit red, it should turn red. One thing I have always set, just for my liking, is when we hit finish, all the lights, they should turn white. Oh, they should turn white, but not after a red. Apologize for that one. So, in a normal, it will go green to finish in a normal race. Not normally red to finish, so I shouldn't have clicked that anyway. So now you see that now it turned to white. Actually, it turned blue. I don't know why it turned blue. I'm still in the debugging phase of this, but well, I guess I have some more debugging to do. Regardless, this sends, this is the data here. You can see that it is sending the data of everything that's going on across. So that being said, you can actually parse all the data, and I can even make a scoreboard with the transceiver. I send out all the data. It will tell me, basically, you can do anything you want with the data. I was going to hit start again if you're curious to see the data that gets thrown across the, and this is both sent over network and serial connections for the more technical terms here. So that means that if I wanted to do Internet of Things and hook it up to the network, I can have it connect to this computer and grab this data through the network. But because the network can be a little finicky, and at most racetracks, not all networks are solid, this is going to be more of a solid solution to being able to throw lights across the campus to the racetrack. And actually, I found out that actually a lot of companies use wireless transmitting to control their track lights. Not all, but some. A lot in go-karting and whatnot. It is better to have a solid connection. So some racetracks have the lights that are wired in, and that's actually the best way to go. But this isn't going to be just for track lights. I want to put this in the pits so the pits can know the status and any information. You can actually make different scoreboards with this by using these microprocessors and programming them to control a scoreboard. That's all I can think of right now, but I think this is pretty neat. That I also bought 4 of these, so I'm gonna be testing making multiple controllers, receivers, and seeing if I can control 3 things at the same time, which I should. It should be able to send out the data here. So that's all I got for you. I just wanted to show everybody the project that I've been working on. One last thing. I will eventually use this to make a scoreboard. I got some more parts coming in I'm gonna hook it up to an LED board and just wirelessly control it that way instead of through the network. I was gonna do it through the network, but like I said, that would this way should be easier. So, all right. Well, hope everybody enjoyed my spiel of the transmitters and race monitor, and hopefully it makes sense to you. Have a good day.